One day, Gordon was getting ready for his train to Hemingway, since he had went from Ella to Bryson. Express coming through. He was then ready to get to Hemingway. He had pulled the cars for long enough and he wanted to keep doing it. That's why he was going to Hemingway. And off he went. Gordon was going very quickly. He was on his way to Hemingway. Also, the signals he looked, and also by Just then, he noticed a kid on the tracks. When the kid heard Gordon's whistle and his chuffing, he was then going so quick to stop. So he tried to slam on the brakes, and only made it once. The kid had jumped off, and he didn't get ran over by the truck. He was still slamming on the brakes. The independent brake was not working, so he tried slamming on the train brake, but then it started raining. Although Gordon was still fine, he still had halted to a stop. And then, shortly after that, he had stopped. The kid was falling down the hill that was heading down toward a lake. We gotta learn not to play on the tracks, okay? Ote. I'll make sure not to stay on the tracks. Gordon was still on a tight schedule, and he had actually made it to Hemingway. And then everyone got to the station. The end.